Hey everyone, welcome back. Is the whatnot seller room flickering really badly, making the chat and bid button almost impossible to use? Here's how to fix it. This flickering happens when Whatnot's live stream is putting too much load on your iPhone's rendering. Usually because the live chat is updating very rapidly in an active show combined with poor signal quality, causing the video to stutter. First, try stepping further from your router or switching to mobile data if your Wi-Fi signal is weak. A more stable but potentially slower connection often produces a smoother stream with less flicker than an unstable fast one. After switching networks, force close the Whatnot app from your recent apps and then rejoin the So Fresh. If flickering continues, then go to your settings app, then go to general, then go to iPhone storage and check if your storage is nearly full. Streaming apps flicker more frequently when the device is low on memory due to storage full. Free up space by offloading unused apps, and that's it. All you've got to do is try a more stable connection, force close and rejoin, and free up iPhone storage space. The flickering will stop, and that's it. Subscribe.